You are that guy and you are that girl. I'm here to remind you of who you are. For so long, you've been holding yourself back. You've been isolating. You've been retreating. And for some of you, this is with good reason, because you needed a break. You needed to heal. You needed to reflect, to regroup, to recenter yourself. Because you may have felt very confused. I'm hearing the word discombobulated, very drained, having all these ideas as to what you wanted to do, but not knowing which way to go, when to take action. Some of you felt like you didn't want to step on any toes. You didn't want to upset anyone. It's an energy of you wanting to express yourself and break free, and being around certain people that were trying to censor you or telling you that you couldn't do something when you clearly can. You have all these amazing ideas, all these amazing gifts and talents, and the world needs to see, right? But something within you was telling you that maybe it was too soon. Maybe it wasn't the right time. Maybe you're not the person to do whatever it is that you wanted to do. Maybe work was draining you. Maybe you wasn't being seen at work in the way which by you deserve to be seen. And for some of you, you decided to walk away. You decided to walk away from everyone, everything. It just got too much. For some of you, you decided to walk away from yourself. What do I mean by walking away from yourself? You betrayed yourself in a sense by not living in your truth. You talked yourself out of doing the things that you wanted to do. You may have talked yourself out of being the person who you are supposed to be. And this could have been due to many factors. I believe it's due to the fact that you were around certain people that kept you at a stagnated place emotionally. You weren't getting the encouragement from others. You weren't encouraging yourself. You were looking outside of yourself. And because you were looking outside of yourself, the people who you were seeking validation from didn't believe in themselves also, gave up on their own dreams. So when you were telling these individuals about what you wanted to do, where you wanted to go, they were like, why? Nah, forget about it. Or they'll give you a certain look. Or they'll tell you just to focus on the mundane. Because these individuals, they are quite closed off. They don't see possibilities the way that you do. And you didn't want to upset the status quo. And so you chose to give up on your dreams and give up on who you know you're supposed to be. But I'm here to tell you that that needs to change now. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up and remember who you are. It's time to go towards your dreams and your goals unapologetically, whether others like it or not. As long as you are not hurting anyone but yourself. It's time to remove yourself from those closed-minded individuals that are happy to keep you stagnant and stuck. I mean, they know who you are. They know your value and they know your worth. It's selfish of them to try and talk you out of your goals, whether they're saying it indirectly or they are saying it in a way which you don't understand, that they're trying to keep you at a place where you don't belong, and they know you don't belong with them, but they're fearful of your growth, and they're going to have to fear some more, because where you're going and where they're going is two separate places. All those ideas and plans that you have, it's now time to put those ideas and plans in motion. And I can get like that sometimes. Sometimes things can get a little bit overwhelming. None of us are immune. But the trick is to think about what the most important thing for you is, and work from there. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't try and do everything at the same time, because then nothing's going to get done. Think about it. Do you feel or think that you were given these ideas for no reason? No. You were given these ideas for a reason, my darling. Because you have a mind of a genius. And it's okay to start from the bottom. Because in this life you will be successful. You have to remember how amazing you are. You have to remember how triumphant you are. Remember a time when you became victorious. If you've done it then, you can do it again. But firstly, you will have to remove yourself from anything or anyone that holds you back or who makes you doubt yourself. They don't belong in your new beginning. Some of these individuals are very deceitful and sneaky. They knew exactly what they were doing. For some of you, they feared that if you make it, you're going to leave them behind, or you're going to wake up to the fact that they ain't ish, or they felt like they missed the boat because they want to do the same things that you are going to do. So they felt like if they talked you out of it, then they can get to that goal before you. Many different factors. But it's time to get to work. You are on your way towards victory and success. You have to remember that you are that girl. You are that guy. Yeah? Your energy is powerful. Your energy is radiant. You attract abundance because you are, quite simply, my darling, abundant. You are charismatic. You are magnetic. People are drawn to you. Many people want to collaborate with you. Many people want to date you. And you got to remember how beautiful and how handsome you are. Look at you. You're a whole snack. Like, have you forgotten how gorgeous you actually are? You are the empress, whether you are a masculine or feminine listening to this. You have your masculine and feminine qualities balanced out. Yes, you are a hot guy. Yes, you are a hot girl. I'm here to remind you. Yes, you need to put on that dress. Yes, you need to put on that suit. Yes, that hairstyle does suit you. Yes, you can dye your hair that color. Yes, you can wear that outfit. You have an amazing personality. You are so high vibrational. You shift the energy of the room. Stop censoring yourself. I know in the past you may have had people that tried to make you feel some type of way for being the amazing you. They were just intimidated by your energy because they too know that you are that girl and you are that guy. And it's not about being conceited. It's about reminding yourself of who you are so that you can gain that confidence and go towards your goals. You have everything that it takes to be the best version of you. You are inspiring others daily. You are magnificent. You are amazing.